Hello everyone. This is in continuation to our discussion on problems related to permutations. This is part 33, question number 4. How many three-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 9, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2? No digit being used more than once in each number. That is the first part. Let us do the first part. Three-digit number, which means we'll have spaces like this. Now, first, this 100th digit can be occupied by any of these 5 numbers. Any of these 6 numbers. Since there is no repeat allowed, the 10th digit can be occupied by any of the balance, any of the rest 5 numbers. And this unit digit can be occupied by any of the rest 4 numbers. So therefore, number of numbers possible is 6 into 5 into 4, which is 120. That is your first part. Second part is how many of these are less than 400? So it's a 3-digit number again. Less than 400 means the 100th digit can be occupied by either 3 or 2. Either 3 or 2. So if it is 3, either 3 or 2. So that means this balance, this 10th digit can be occupied by any of the rest of 5 numbers, any 5. This one can be occupied by any 4 because one number already occupied here. Same logic here, any 5, any 4. Which means the number of numbers that are possible is 5 into 4 plus 5 into 4. So it becomes 20 plus 20, that is 40 numbers. Now let us move into the third part. Third part is saying how many of these are multiples of 5? So the last digit, that is unit digit, should be 5. This should be 5. So this can be occupied by any of the balance 5 numbers, any of 5. This one can be occupied by any of 4. So therefore, number of numbers will be 5 into 4, which is 20. Then part D. How many of these are multiples of 2? So multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means the unit digit should be even number. Here 2 and 6 are the only 2 even numbers. So either this can be 2 or the unit digit can be 6. So that means this can be occupied by any of the balance 5 numbers. This can be occupied by any of the balance 4 numbers. Same logic here. any 5, any 4. Therefore, number of numbers is 5 into 4 plus 5 into 4. We get 20 plus 20, 40 numbers. That will be the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. In how many ways can the letters of the word strange be arranged so that the vowels never come together, the vowels are never separated? First of all, we will find out without any conditions what is the number of permutations. Number of permutations without any condition. Strange has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. So 7 factorial. And then is there any repeat? S is not repeating, T is not repeating, R is not repeating, A, N, G, E. None of them are repeating. That means 7 factorial ways it can be arranged, which gives you 5040. Now, let us do first part B. The vowels are never separated. Vowels in this word are, one is A, another one is E. These vowels can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial ways. Okay. And now let us consider, let us consider alpha equal to AE. I'm together considering these two vowels together as one alphabet, that is AE. Therefore, the letters now will be what are the letters? STR and then NG, NG, and then that alphabet together is alpha. That means now it is having 6 letters. Therefore, the number of permutations where the vowels are never separated, means are together, will be, this is 6 factorial and nothing is getting repeated. So it is 6 factorial. 6 factorial will give us, 6 factorial. Then that vowels can be organized in 2 factorial ways, which means 6 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 factorial is 720, 2 factorial is 2. That means we get 1440 ways. Now we can do part A, number of permutations so that the vowels never come together. Will be the total permutations without any conditions. We already calculated that 5040 minus the permutations where vowels are never separated also we calculated part B. Subtracting those two, we will have 0, 0, 36. So 3600 ways. That will be the solution for this question. How many arrangements of the letters of the word Sunday can be made if the vowels are to appear only in the odd places? Sunday has got 6 letters in it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So odd places, first place, third place, and fifth place. And vowels are to appear only in the odd places. There are the vowels in this are. The vowels are U and A. So 3 positions are to be occupied by 2 vowels. 3 positions or 3 odd positions can be occupied by 2 vowels in 3p2 ways. That is 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2, the factorial. 3 factorial is 6, this is 1. So you get 6 ways. Now, only 2 places are occupied actually. We have still the balance 4 places. The balance 4 positions can be occupied by the remaining consonants in 4 factorial ways. That is 24 ways. Therefore, total number of ways means the given problem's solution, final solution is 6 into 24. That is 144 ways. That will be the solution for this question.